I'm Rada Newsom with Newquist Forge, and I'm here today to show you the Korean Hand Plow. This is my favorite garden tool in our collection, and you can zoom in. I want to show some of the details of this. We've got a blade along the edge here that is for scraping and cutting, and there's this wicked point that is amazing for digging holes and weeding, and this ergonomic curve that sets you up when you're working sideways or pointed, that makes it really easy on your wrist. And further down we have this incredible collared socket with a riveted pin that goes through the hickory handle, so this thing is practically unbreakable, and it feels really nice in my hand, like nice and full, easy to grip. So let me show you what this can do. I'm going to switch to my dirty one that I use all the time. And so let's first start with digging a trench. So if I was going to be planting a series of seeds or small little like leek starts, I would need a trench, and that is done lickety split. And then with the side of the blade, I can take it and fill it back in once I've planted my seedlings. Smooth it out, et voila. And then for the basic weeding, we don't have very big weeds here, but you can see you would hold on to the weed and dig it out, and so get the roots, and it doesn't take much work at all. This tool is the meanest weeder. Here we go, here's a bigger one. Can you come over here? So if I have a bigger weed like this, I can scrape back the grass to see what I'm working with, and just dig in and get all the roots out in one hit. And then I've got, I love using it for transplanting as well. So dig a hole, scrape it out, pull out your plant, fill it back in. Korean hand plow.